2009 Ford Mustang with the 4-liter V6. They were doing an oil change. Over our computer, you can see that this vehicle requires 5 quarts of 5W30 premium synthetic blend motor oil. And for this oil change, we'll be using the CarQuest Romeo 85372 oil filter. Let's get to it. And underneath the vehicle, we've got our drain plug right here, which is a 13mm, and right above our drain plug is our oil filter. Let's go ahead and remove the drain plug, start draining this oil out. Put that on way too tight. And while that's draining out, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't crack loose this oil filter. And once the oil filter is cracked loose, that's probably not the best angle. There we go. Once the oil filter is cracked loose, just go ahead and give it a good spin. Let that oil start draining out of there. Spin it a little more. There we go. Not a lot of oil coming out of that, actually. Go ahead and remove it. Go ahead and check your oil filter. Make sure that that O-ring came off with it. And check your oil filter housing, where your oil filter butts up to. Make sure it is clean and clear of all debris before we install our new oil filter. Grab some of that used motor oil that's still draining from the engine. Go ahead and lube up that new O-ring on our filter and install our new oil filter. And make sure this is just down, hand tight. Don't put any tools on it, none of that is needed. And our oil is about done draining, so let's go ahead. Oh, before you put that back on, make sure you check your crush washer. If it is cracked or damaged or you doubt its integrity in any way, go ahead and replace it. And I believe this one, no, they look like they're removable. I just don't know if I can do it with one hand. Yes, yeah, they are removable. There's a little rubber gasket in there. You can go ahead and replace the crush washer if it doesn't look like it's good to be used again. Ours looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and reuse it. Put that down hand tight. Go ahead and pull so we have some resistance, and then give it a good hit. With everything buttoned up underneath, get yourself a can of brake clean. Come in here, spray down that drain plug, spray down that oil filter, and pretty much anything that any oil might have drained onto. Make sure you leave a nice clean working area, so next time you're working on this vehicle, if you see oil around this area, you know you have a possible oil leak, and not that you just left a mess during your last oil change. And back up top side, we have our oil cap right here. Go ahead and remove that. And we can add our oil like so. Go ahead, put our oil cap back on, and ensure it's down nice and tight. 2009 Ford Mustang with the V6 4-liter engine. We've just performed an oil change. Now I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life. Now this is a base model V6 engine and vehicle, so there is nothing fancy about this car. If you have the buttons here or the buttons underneath your headlight switch right here, there'll be 3 buttons right here, then this video probably will not help you. But if you have a base model and you're wondering how to reset your oil life, which is a little wrench that's going to pop up right there whenever the vehicle's in the on position, this is the vehicle for you. So again, to reset the oil life on this vehicle, go ahead and turn the vehicle to the on position and slowly press the brake pedal down. I like to do about 3 or 4 or 5 times. Turn it to the off position and then start the vehicle. There you have it. Oil life has been reset, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If you'd like to see more videos on this vehicle, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.